everyone, I am going to do a tutorial today on how to do messy buns, and sweet little Posy here has volunteered to be our demo doll. So she is one of our little friend dolls. She's as cute as can be. I mean, look at that hair, so gorgeous. So I love the messy buns. They to me are signature Bamboletta. The look is so cute, but sometimes it's like, I don't know, I think it's also nice to have the hair down so that you can see all the different textures and variations, but the messy buns are very sweet. I am going to demo on this one. Yeah, let me just put the video down so we can get this. I need to get one of those stands that have the camera from above, you know, but anyway, I'll get to that. All right, let me get that ready. Okay, so here we are. So first thing you're going to do is, that I like to do, is to put a couple pieces at the front to frame their face. You don't have to do this. I mean, you could put the hair all back as well. I just think it looks pretty to do it like this. Although if you have a little one, sometimes with the smaller kids, the hair can be a lot, like it's just a lot of hair. And it's nice to have the hair put back until they get a bit older and are like excited about playing with it and can do more with it, and it doesn't become, or it's not so overwhelming. But anyway, so I'm gonna put her hair, these two little pieces at the front, and then I'm simply gonna divide the hair like two ponytails, just like that, right? Just in half. So as you know, the hair is sewn in 3 layers, okay? So what you're gonna do is from one half, you're gonna take the top layer, half of the second layer, and just a few strands of yarn from the first layer. Okay, so I'm gonna comb that there. And then the rest of the hair, you're gonna have held down there. So it's like you've just divided the hair, half of the hair into another half, so a quarter and a quarter. Okay, then what you're gonna do is with this top layer, this is where it gets a bit tricky, okay? You're gonna just kind of tightly wind it underneath, and you're just gonna twist the pieces together, and then just kind of keep twisting, and then I just sort of like twist like this, so you're like almost like an orange, because you want to get, I think it looks cute to have these little pieces sticking out. If you want to have like a nice tight bun, like a more like a Princess Leia type of bun, you would just sort of wind it, like smooth it and wind it, but I kind of like the little pokey bits. Okay, then I'm gonna take my ribbon, which is pre-cut, and this is also where it can get a little tricky. So you're gonna hold it down, I find, with your thumb, and then wind it around a couple of times really tight, so it's quite tight. That will give you like a nice tight messy bun. This probably won't be my best one because, you know, doing it like this is a bit awkward, but not bad. There she is. So messy buns do require some, definitely some practice. I mean, Amanda, who works with me, who's been with me for years, I wouldn't let her put a messy bun. I wouldn't let her do any of the messy buns for the dolls that we put up on the website for like a year, and she still to this day isn't allowed to do messy buns for the big dolls because I'm crazy. But also, yeah, it's a thing, right? It's a thing to do the messy buns. But then I've seen lots of customers do messy buns that are like just as good as mine, right? So it's just practice. Okay, so again, I'm taking I divided it, I've taken this other half, to the top layer half, bottom layer, or top layer, all of it, the middle layer half, and then just a few strands from this bottom one, okay? And I'm just going to take it, make sure this one is like tight down, right? So you're gonna like tight up, and then you just wrap it around, wrap it, and like an orange, bloop, 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 like that. Okay, take my other ribbon and like this, and there we go. Okay, there she is. So she's got her messy buns. So Posey now has her messy buns. Wasn't she a great model? She's so good. Look how cute she is. Anyway, she did a great job. If you have any suggestions of any tutorials you'd like to see, I'd love to do tutorials. Yeah, I was really gung-ho for the YouTube videos, did them, and then slacked for 2 weeks because I had a bunch of stuff happen. I was like, sometimes you just don't want to be on camera, you know? I'm just like, oh. Anyway, but if I have some ideas, that would be great. And I would like to get that doll start to finish little segment up and running again. Yeah, so anyway, here she is. I hope this helped. Yeah, thanks so much. Okay, bye.